It is an era full of crises and transformation. It is an era highlighting innovation and quality. Taizhou, a place well known as capital of sewing equipment. Here, a brand is mightily rising. It is like a black horse, seeing crisis as opportunities. Horley Sewing Machine pays its practices to become a forerunner in this competition. Horley Sewing Machine Company is an innovative enterprise which is professional in making high-tech computerized sewing machine. It has an integrated operating system from product developing, manufacturing, testing, marketing to after-sale service. Horley also has the certificate of ISO 9001 Quality System and EU CE certification.
我们以缝制机械行业30年的工作经验，用心打造红利品牌，秉承厚德重义、追求卓越的发展理念，立志成为缝制机械行业杰出的供应商。
Horley always pays attention to every detail. Horley has already got 10 more patents. Manufacturing with preciseness and rigorous analysis. The outside looking of machines shows aesthetics of industrial design. Moreover, we cares about user experience and will keep on providing products with human care. Horley Sewing Machine locates its foothold by outstanding quality. We devote to providing sewing equipment with stable function and high-tech device. We limit the error within 0.01 mm since parts processing. Strict process standards and quality management ensure solid foundation of sustainable development.
对产品多一份细心，就是对质量多一份保障。
From very beginning till now, Horley constantly wins the favor of its customers. We developing marketing network domestically and abroad, hearing from users, and gaining their trust with sincere services. The marketing networks are spread over more than 50 countries in the world. We farm and protect our sewing career. Every stitch and thread holds our hope and dream. We will try our best to provide excellent products and creating maximum value for customers. It is our mission, and we will give best effort for it. Presenting sincereness, persisting excellence. Horley Sewing Machine Company.